So Jai Shri Gurudev. So in last class we already discussed about second PUC mathematics system of equations. How to solve the system of equations? Consistent, inconsistent. So consistent means det A is not equals to 0. Why? Because A inverse will exist. Okay. Det A is not equals to 0 means det A is equals to 0 means inconsistent. Okay. Some related problems are there, my dear students. See this problem. Examine the consistency of the system of equations. Okay. Two problems are given like this. See, first problem. X plus 2y is equals to 2. X plus 2y is equals to 2. 2x plus 3y is equals to 3. Okay. So this is first equation. First, I have to decide whether it is consistent or not. It is consistent agatta ilva anta decide madadenge. See, first we have to write A matrix. A matrix brilliant. See, how to write A matrix already told now. X coefficient is what? X side only 1 right. So y coefficient is 2. X coefficient 1. So y coefficient is 2. So write down 1, 2. So consider the first row. Next, 2 x coefficient 2 write down, y coefficient 3. So this is the A matrix. First you have to write like that A matrix. Okay. So X matrix has x comma y, 2 variables only. So B matrix has 2 3. Okay. So first the system of equations are consistent or not. So how you can decide means first you have to calculate the det value. Okay, det value calculate. Det A is equals to what? Det A is equals to 1 into 3 minus 2 into 2 4. So it is equals to minus 1. It is not equals to 0 now. Minus 1 is not equals to 0 again. So therefore it is consistent. The system of equations are consistent. Okay, consistency. Okay, so like that we have to decide. Okay na. Next we will see the second problem. Second problem. So write down A matrix. A is equals to 2 minus 1 1. So write down xy. So B matrix has 5 4. Leave it that way. Okay. So calculate det is what is the answer? 2 into 1 what? 2 minus 1 into minus 1 is what? Minus 1. So minus 1. So 2 plus 1 is equals to 3. 3 is not equals to 0. 3 is not equals to 0. So therefore this is also, this system of equations also consistent. Understood or not? Like that we have to decide. So some other problems are there. I will tell that also. Okay. See next question number 3. See here x plus 3y is equals to 5. 2x plus 6y is equals to 8. Okay. Write down A matrix. See 1 3 2 6. Okay. 1 3 2 6. So write down A matrix. Let A. Let A equals to what? Tell me. Let A equals to what? 6 into 1 6 minus 3 2 6. Is equals to 0 no? So therefore A inverse does not exist. A inverse does not exist. So therefore system of equations are inconsistent. So inconsistent agade. So A into adjoint ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ. So that is somewhat difficult. So stop here itself. Okay. So learn up to here itself. So det A is equals to 0. Therefore the system of equations are inconsistent. Okay na? So therefore like that we have to analyze. So I will give the homework also. So if det A is equals to 0 inconsistent, det A is not equals to 0 consistent. Okay, I will give the homework. 3 homeworks are there. Just wait. See next. So 4 5 6 I will do fourth one 3 by 3 matrix. You will do 5 and 6 as a homework. Okay. So let us take A matrix. 1 1. So this is a system of equations in 3 variables. That's why 3 by 3 matrix comes. Okay. 1 1 x coefficient 1 y coefficient 1 z coefficient 1. Okay. Into 2 y coefficient 3 y z coefficient 2 3 next x coefficient a y coefficient a 2a. Like that first you have to write. Okay. Okay. Next you have to calculate the determinant value. Determinant value calculate for det A is equals to okay. This again. So det A is equals to 1 into, so take first row, 1 into, okay, 1 into, so first row, first column, delete it, and 3 to A to A, 3 to A to A, minus 1 into, minus 1 into, so first row, second column, delete it, so 2 to A to A, 2 to A to A, okay, next, 1 into first row third column delete 2 3 AA 2 3 AA okay. So like that first you have to write. So simplify this one, simplify ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ತರ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Next 1 into 3 into 2A 6A minus 2 into A 2A plus minus into 2 into 2A 4A, so minus of 4A minus 2 into A 2A, okay. Next here 2A minus 3A, 2 into A 2A minus 3A, 2A minus 3A is what? Minus A, simplify 6A minus 2A 4A minus of 4A minus 2A, 4A minus 2A 2A, 2A minus is there, minus 2A minus, so 4A minus 3A, 2A minus A minus 3A, 4A minus 3A is equals to A, so A is not equals to 0, so A is some other point, so therefore this is a consistent, so this is consistent. Like that you have to simplify. You know how to calculate determinant for 3 by 3 matrix, no? 3 by 3 matrix calculate ಮಾಡಿ determinant calculate ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So do this one homework. So fifth one and sixth one is the homework. Okay, write down this homework. 3x minus y minus 2z is equals to 2. 2y minus z is equals to minus 1. So here some students feeling difficulty. Why? Because sir here x is there, no, there is no x, no sir, x illa sir, naven madu. So in that type of cases x consider as 0, x is not there means okay. So your matrix ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, I will tell what is that matrix. See again matrix ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡಿ, matrix 3 minus 1 minus 2, 3 minus 1 minus 2, okay, 3 minus 1 minus 2. Here x is not there, that's why 2y minus z, y z is there, so x is not there, that's why take 0 in the place of x, okay. Y 2 right, minus z minus 1 like that. X what, x coefficient 3 right, y coefficient minus 5, z is not there, z coefficient is not there, that's why what, 0. Like that you have to consider. So my dear students, go through that, okay. So ಯಾವುದನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಗಾಬರಿ ಪಡಬಾರ್ದು. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ 0 ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, y ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ 0, z not there means third one 0, okay. So this is the procedure. Calculate det value if consistent or not depends upon det A. Det A is equals to 0, inconsistent. Det A is not equals to 0, consistent, okay. So do these two things, 5 and 6 is the homework, 5 or 6 homework ಮಾಡಿ, okay na. So my dear friends, write down. See my dear students, next problems, next related problems, very important for the main examination, okay. So solve the system of linear equations using the matrix method. Solve the system of linear equations using the matrix method. Matrix method choose ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ನಾವು system of equations solve ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Solve. This is the 5 marks question. Actually they will ask in the main examination 3 by 3 matrix. Here 2 by 2 matrix will come because 2 equations are there. Learn this one first. So the concept will be clear in 2 by 2 and 3 by 3 will be very easy, okay my dear friends. Please see. First of all I have to observe the linear equations. 5x plus 2y is equals to 4. 7x plus 3y is equals to 5. How many variables are there? Two variables are there. One is x, another one is y. So two variables are there. Okay. The system of linear equations can be written in the form of ax is equals to b. See, 5x plus 2y is equals to 4, 7x plus 3y is equals to 5. So here two equations are there. So therefore two variables x and y you have to find. Solve by using the matrix method. This is the matrix method. So what is the procedure already told? Matrix procedure already told in previous videos. Okay. So watch that videos also. So my dear students, I will tell with one example. This is one problem. See. First, the system of linear equation can be written in the form of ax is equals to b, where a is equals to already done a x coefficient, y coefficient, 5 2, write down 5 2, right, 7 3. Okay, so this is a matrix. And unknown matrix x, unknown matrix xy, unknown matrix xy. And B matrix is what? Here constants are there, no? 4 5, right? Under 4 5 constants 4 5. After the first step, this is the first step. Okay, first you have to write like system of linear equation can be written in the form of ax is equals to b, where a is equals to x is equals to b is equals to. Okay, now, so next you have to do that. First you have to calculate the det. Next concept is have to calculate the determinant value. So det A is equals to what? 5 into 3 minus 5 into 3 minus 7 into 2 5 3 is what? 15 minus 7 into the 14 is equals to what? Determinant value is what? Determinant is equals to 1 is not equals to 0. It is 0 ಆಗಿದೆ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸಪೋಸ್ 0 ಆದರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಸರ್? If 0 means we will stop here itself. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So there is no solution. Inconsistency already told now like that. So it is not equals to 0 no. Proceed. Further proceed. Okay. ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮುಂದೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿ. First step is you have to write like this AXB and next have to calculate second step is determinant value. Okay, next after that one we have to write what A is a non-singular matrix, so it is a unique solution. So therefore that A is not equals to 0, that's why A is a non-singular matrix. Okay, see A inverse, A is a non-singular matrix, A inverse exists. So this is the next step. First A, B, X determinant value, have to write these steps. Next step is what? You have to calculate the A inverse. A inverse you have to calculate. How to calculate sir? A inverse ne antara sir calculate ಮಾಡೋದು. Okay. A inverse one formula is there now. What is that formula? So A inverse is equals to 1 by det A into adjoint D. Already told now one formula is there. Already so many problems done like this. A inverse is equals to 1 by dt into adjoint. Okay. So by using this one we can easily calculate. Otherwise 2 cross 2 matrix inverse ಮಾಡೋದು already told. And ನಿಮಗೆ already ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ. See 1 by dt. So 1 by dt is what? Dt is equals to 1. So 1 by 1 into. Okay. Adjoint A. Already so many problems done. Adjoint A ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ so many problems done. Okay. 2 by 2 another time I will see how to do the adjoint matrix for 2 by 2 matrix. Easy technique. Interchange the principal diagonal elements. 3 each side and 5 each side. 5 3 6 3 5 3 5 3 5. Okay. Next here change the sign. Minus idre plus ಮಾಡಿ plus idre minus ಮಾಡಿ. So minus 7 minus 3 minus 2 3 minus 2 minus 1. This is called adjoint matrix directly written. See over A inverse is over 1 by 1 into this one same. So same 3 minus 2 minus 7 5. So over A inverse is over. Okay. Next A inverse is over, det A is over. Next step. In last step, what is that last step means? See, I will tell once again. See, I will tell you here. See, what happened means A B here already written down. So Ax is equals to B. If Ax is equals to B implies already calculated in matrix method in last video already told. Okay. So by using that video, so x is equals to what? X is equals to A inverse into B. Okay, A inverse into B. See, x is equals to what? X is equals to A inverse B. So therefore, x is equals to, what is A inverse? Already calculated. 3 minus 2 minus 7 5 into B. B already see there is 4 5. So 4. So multiply these two. Multiply. So multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ first row first column. So x matrix is what? xy no? xy is equals to first row first column 3 4s are 12 minus 2 into 5 minus 10 minus second row first column minus 7 into 4 28. Okay, 5 into 5 20. So therefore 12 minus 10 2 minus 28 plus 25, so minus 3. So therefore what is the x value? X is equals to 2. Okay, here x is equals to 2, y is equals to minus 3. So x is equals to 2, y is equals to minus 3. Like that you have to calculate. Okay na? See, so this is the procedure to calculate by using the matrix method. Okay na? See, once again I will clarify. See, no sir, first thing I will tell you. First I have to write A matrix and X matrix and B matrix. It is in the form of Ax plus B. And next step is I have to calculate the determinant value. So is equals to 0 means you have to leave. It is not equals to 0 means it is non-singular matrix, so therefore A inverse exists. Okay. So A inverse exists means you have to proceed further. What is the procedure? Further procedure means I have to calculate the A inverse. A inverse is equals to 1 by dt into adjoint. The formula is there. I have to write the formula also. 1 by dt. Dt is equals to 1 by 1. Determinant value is 1 into adjoint. Adjoint already calculated. So adjoint is calculated. Okay na? Next this is A inverse. 3 minus 2 minus 7 5. Okay. So next one formula is there, another one. Ax is equals to b, Ax is equals to b, x is equals to A inverse b. Substitute A inverse value and b value. So b value here, multiply these two matrices and we will get the x and y values. X is equals to 2, y is equals to minus 3. X is equals to 2, y is equals to minus 3. Okay. So this is the procedure. This is the procedure of the matrix method. You have to follow the same procedure. If 3 equations are given, 3 variables are given. Here 3 by 3 matrix per first. Adjoint but the A inverse per the same procedure. 3 A B C 3 per. So A B matrix, X matrix X Y Z per. B matrix some 3 value per. So column matrix 3 values. So very easy method. So 5 marks question very important for the 3 by 3 will ask for the main examination. Okay. So learn this one. I will give some homework also. You have to do the homework. Okay. So in next class I will do 3 by 3 matrix. Okay. 3 system of 3 equations. So these are some homeworks. 8th problem. 2x minus y is equals to minus 2. 3x plus 4y is equals to 3. Okay. Same. I had procedure. I had to do the procedure. Same procedure already done. Okay. Next, 9th problem. 4x minus 3y is equals to 3. 3x minus 5y is equals to 7. Okay. And 10th one. 5x plus 2y is equals to 3. 3x plus 2y is equals to 5. And some other example problems are there also there. I will write that also right. So example 27. Example 27. Okay. 2x plus 5y, 3x plus 5y is equals to 1. 3x plus 2y is equals to 3x plus 2y is equals to 7. Example 27. Okay. So I have to do this also homework. Okay, these are the homework you have to do. Okay, my dear students, do a hard work. See, these are the homework 8, 9, 10 and example 28. By using the matrix method, we have to simplify. First, we have to write the A, X and B and have to calculate the determinant value, net A value and determinant value. After calculating determinant value is not equals to 0 means have to calculate the A inverse. A inverse calculate ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತೆ adjoint ಎಲ್ಲ calculate ಮಾಡಿ adjoint 1 by net A into adjoint A and you have to calculate x is equals to A inverse B. So x value will get. Okay. So in next class I will tell the 3 by 3 matrix. Write down this homework. So my dear students, if you like this video, please share and subscribe to my channel. Subscribe button ಇದೆ red color. So if you click that one means ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಆಗಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನೇನು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ. So please subscribe to my channel and please share to your friends and colleagues and your belongings, your colleagues also. Okay. If you have any doubt, please. If you have any doubt means you can ask through WhatsApp and comment in this video. Thank you.